Should memberships include free drain cleaning? Yes, memberships should include free drain cleaning because it helps homeowners avoid bigger and more expensive plumbing problems down the road, and it keeps customers loyal to the company offering the membership. Think of your home's pipes like the arteries in your body. If gunk builds up slowly over time and nobody checks on it, one day something backs up and causes a real mess, sometimes even flooding your kitchen or bathroom. A membership that includes free drain cleaning means a professional comes out on a regular basis, maybe once or twice a year, and clears out that buildup before it becomes a disaster. Here is something most people do not know. Most slow drains are not caused by hair or food. They are caused by a thin layer of grease and soap scum that sticks to the inside of the pipe and slowly narrows the space water can flow through. Regular cleaning breaks that layer up before it turns into a full blockage. For a company, offering this as part of a membership also builds trust, because customers see real value every single visit instead of just paying for a service plan that sits unused. One common mistake is thinking that drain cleaning only matters when there is already a clog, but by then you are often dealing with damage that already happened inside the pipe. The fix is simple: treat drain cleaning as regular maintenance, just like changing the oil in your car. Another misconception is that all drain cleaning methods are the same, but chemical cleaners can actually damage older pipes over time, while professional tools like a hydrojet are safer and more effective. Always ask what method is included in your membership so you know exactly what you are getting. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.